Here we have a Gilbert Time and Strike American shelf clock, and I can see that there's some wear in this pivot hole and this pivot hole. Let me demonstrate that by pushing on the wheels. You can see the play back and forth. That's going to need to be rebuilt. This one's even worse. You can see the slop back and forth, and then the escape wheel. Again, we have slop. So those are going to have to be rebuilt along with the strike side, this hole right there. And I'm sure there's more, and then I'm sure there's more pivot holes on the other side that we're going to need work. So it's time to get to work. Once I get it, those holes done and polished pivots, I'm going to clean it up and back together, and we'll see what happens. It should work a lot better.